In the last video, I asked you about truth, right? What's the truth of your story? How do we know something is true? I personally believe that truth is self-evident. What does that mean? It means when something's true, it rings true to us. We don't have to be convinced of it. There's a resonance, and we just have this experience of being a human being and knowing that something is true for us. And so often we have these stories that say we're not good enough and we don't measure up and we haven't done enough, which most of us have. I want to talk a little bit about the reality of our existence, right? If you consider this, we are on this rock that is hurling through outer space at like 36,000 miles an hour, right? So it goes around the sun in this circular fashion, and the sun itself is moving forward through outer space. So it's kind of like we're this piece of dust in a comet. And the Earth, if you consider this, think about this, we are perfectly distanced from the sun, that we don't bake, right? We get just warm enough that we stay alive and then it grows food, and we don't freeze all the way, right? It's just cold enough that we have this mixture of seasons. And so if you think about the miraculous nature that you showed up in this body on this thing that's hurling through outer space, it's unbelievable. They took when they had the Hubble telescope,